Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Good View Woodworks channel. Today we are going to be delivering that huge slab table over to the customer's house. So here it is, all strapped up onto the back of my old beat up work truck. So got to keep it out of the sun so it doesn't get messed up, but we are on our way. See you over there. Okay, so we're at the customer's house, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the legs off, because I doubt that the table is going to be able to fit through the door, being that it's, you know, over 40 inches wide. So here we go. Alright, so I gotta take the legs off here. So if you remember from the last video, I only installed 2, but I pre-drilled all of them so that we can put the legs on faster once we get it in the house. What do you think? Got you guys on camera. Woo! What you think, Bo? I gotta get over here. I can't see your face. What do you think?
Oh, you're going to eat dinner here. Y'all are coming over for barbecue.
Looks awesome.
This looks better than I thought it would. You couldn't have made me any more happy than I am.
Yay!
I love it, I love it. Thank you, Nathan, for all the hard work you did on our beautiful table.
It's
We
awesome.
love it. Yes. It's better than we would have ever expected, and we know we're going to have a lot of really great family meals here. So
Yay!
Good thumbs up.
Thank you. Hey, so we are on our way out the door to have game night with some friends from church. The family loved their table. They are absolutely in love with it. So do me a favor, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the little thumbs up for me. If you want to see more content like this, check in every single week when I post a new video.